I brush my hair before going out. I brush my hair before going out. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I walk to the street market. I walk to the street market. I see many colorful stalls. I see many colorful stalls. I look at fresh fruits. I look at fresh fruits.
I ask, how much is this?
I ask, how much is this?
The seller says $2. The seller says $2.
I buy some apples. I buy some apples. I smell fresh bread. I smell fresh bread. I say, this bread looks good. I say, this bread looks good. I pick some vegetables. I pick some vegetables. I put them in my bag. I put them in my bag. I see a flower stall. I see a flower stall. I smell the flowers. I smell the flowers. I buy a small flower. I buy a small flower. I stop at a juice stand. I stop at a juice stand. I order orange juice. I order orange juice. I drink my juice slowly. I drink my juice slowly. I pay for everything. I pay for everything. I walk home happily. I walk home happily.